Alright, people, what's going on? Welcome back. Welcome back to the live stream. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Good day, Legends. Hey, Blake, what's going on, man? Definitely back on the stream. Let's move this over a bit. Let me turn this the other way. Happy Tuesday, people. Happy Tuesday. What's going on? Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, 26th of March. Amazing session yesterday. Hopefully we'll see gold start to break out a little bit today here as well. Trying to see if we get some breakouts on gold this morning. Haven't really jumped on the charts yet this morning, so it'll be my first time looking at it with you guys. So we'll have a look. Gold had a nice push yesterday. We were looking at gold buys yesterday after the London session. Oh, my Discord not loading. I'm trying to post in the Zoom link, but Discord's not loading. There we go. London. Alright, let's get the Zoom link in there. Cool, Zoom link is in. Raining day, yeah, weather's crazy here right now. Weather's crazy here. It's absolutely pouring down here as well. Past like 3 days, the weather's been crazy. Then our oven broke last night. Well, no, the night before, our oven broke, which was a bit sad. So I'm supposed to be having an oven delivered in the next hour, supposedly. So hopefully it shows up. Let's start like 5 minutes. Join team. Yeah, 100%, man. 100%. Join the. Yeah, nice one. Thank you, Blake. Yeah, pleasure, man. Welcome anytime, man. Welcome anytime. Raining today in Brisbane Vegas. Yeah, it's raining in Brisbane Vegas again today. It hasn't stopped fucking raining all day, actually. Even yesterday. Yesterday was nuts. Today is nuts. Crazy weather. How many people got tuned in? 61 people tuned in. Look at that. Beautiful. We had some amazing trades on stream yesterday. So good job to you guys who tuned in yesterday. We'll see what today brings. I'm going to let the guys in on Zoom here. And then we'll start breaking down gold for the day. Let's have a look here. Share my screen. Let me just play this here. Where are we? G'day mate, hey man, how's it going? Welcome back. Welcome back. Good morning Zoom guys, welcome back. What's going on? Good morning. Let's have a look. Who's joining? Everyone's joining. Cool, let me get the chat over here. Morning, hey fam, what's going on? Happy Tuesday everyone. Let's just have a quick look at the news here. See what we got going on for today. Where is this? Oh, you're not working. Let's have a look. So today we have consumer confidence. Morning fan, come on, man. Consumer confidence, 2 p.m. London time. Obviously we had no news yesterday, so you didn't really have any big moves on gold, but it did end up pushing up towards our nice upside target that I shared in Discord as well, manipulating the third touch of that channel line, which is very nice. To break even by 1 tick. Oh, that's disgusting, man. Lovely breakout there as well, man. There's a lovely breakout. By 1 tick there, that's crazy. Yeah, it's a very, very, very choppy range here.
It is, yeah.
It's a tough range, man. Tough range.
Yeah, I'm gonna post my loss as well because I went for the highs.
Yep.
Because I wanted to attack the highs and it just either was the same 8 tick loss.
8 tick loss, good man.
Yeah, but what the candle did, it came down, tapped, attack me in and then go back down and then the top bit. So I think it's just measured.
Yeah, I think so, man. Hey AJ, what's going on, man? Good morning, Ross. Good morning. Take a trade after the last YouTube session? Nah, I didn't actually. Nah, I didn't. I called these gold buys here up into 2180, which is right here, to manipulate the third touch of this trend line. Because yesterday you had this third touch trend line coming down here. Most retails jump in shorts, but their stop loss just above that high. So I gave buys into 2180 in Discord yesterday, but I personally didn't take it. I was kind of just chilling for the rest of the day. I didn't watch it too much personally. I was happy just to... I had a trade in Asia, a trade in London. I was happy just to chill, to be honest. I posted on my story today on Instagram a couple of account updates to start the year so far. But yeah, nah, I didn't take anything yesterday. Thank you, man. Thank you, sir. Everyone first time on the stream. Hey John, what's going on, man? Good to have you on. Oh, really? Really? Nice. Alright, is everyone in? I think, what time is it? Yeah, it's 7 o'clock. Cool. We just had this hourly close. Let's start.
Recording in progress.
Start breaking down Goldie here. See what we got for the day. So, only piece of news there is today is consumer confidence, which could actually be quite volatile, which is good. Have a look at this high time frame chart here on gold. We can see Goldie yesterday, and this is the start of the week. So have a quick look at the week. So obviously last week we know left this huge wick, and what we said this week for gold to come up, retest these areas before potentially flipping back bearish and having this nice drive lower. So yesterday has closed bullish, rejecting this level of resistance. You know, I mentioned on Sunday that we do have the potential for this left shoulder head and to still come back up a little bit more for this right shoulder. And, you know, I think if we're going to see gold drive lower today, I wouldn't be surprised to see if we can come and grab some daily highs before seeing this push back down. I would be surprised to see this just flip bearish from here. But if it does, you know, I don't care. I'll take the break of yesterday's low. But ideally, I still want to see... I had my alert here yesterday. I was going to take some shorts if we got up into here. But we didn't get up into this. I didn't take any shorts. But I'm pretty much looking to see if price still can get back up into these regions. If you take a kind of... We have a look at a fib from here. You can see you haven't even really retraced like 50% of this move. So even to come back up to like 50% of this downward push, retest into these levels. That's kind of... Let me just pin this. That's the kind of overall level. I'm pretty much looking gold this week to, you know, maybe do this and then start to have this push back down. I am overall looking for gold to kind of break 2150 this week and see a nice downward push. And you kind of see here, you do have, you know, a little level of resistance up there as well. So that's overall. You know, today I didn't trade Asia today. You guys on Zoom, I posted in the market call this morning. You guys on YouTube, I'm doing daily market calls in Discord as well to kind of wrap up the previous day and kind of break down some levels for Asia. And I basically said I wasn't going to trade Asia today because I didn't really like the look of the range. I didn't really have any clear kind of jump out levels that we had yesterday. You know, yesterday you opened on the daily. No bottom wick on the daily, weekly, or 4 hourly. So that short yesterday was pretty easy. But today, you kind of opened, you pushed down, you kind of crept your way up, and then you ended up having that big push down, and you kind of just pretty much come back to the exact same area as when we actually did the Asia market call. So we're pretty much right back, smack in the middle of where we started. And we can kind of see it's very, very choppy here. It's very, very choppy. So that's why I haven't really been watching the charts too much this morning. But you kind of see we got this level of resistance up here where we have just grabbed the highs. What? Oh shit! Give me 2 seconds, guys. I just need to shut down my Mac in my living room. 2 seconds. I hate when it does that. Cool. Yeah, so you have found this pretty nice resistance up here, but then you do also have, you kind of got a level like right here as well. So I'm not, really like the previous 4 hour. The 4 hour is not looking too bad because you've wicked out this little 4 hour double bottom here. You have to zoom in quite close here because it's very, very choppy. So you've got to break this down quite in depth. But you kind of see here, you had this initial rejection off this support, 2 equal lows. People jumping longs here, stop loss just below that low. And you're kind of coming down for that retest at the minute. So if you can see this 4 hour start to flip bullish, could we look for longs? Yeah, probably. Until we do break below that support, and then I'll take it short back down into here. Once the 4 hour does start to flip bullish from around here, back up into these highs, you do have like 50 ticks. You kind of got to be, careful. You've clearly found some resistance there as well. The really nice thing about that little level of resistance, you didn't really, well, not that I believe anyway. You didn't grab the high. Did you grab the highs? I got to zoom in right here. Look at this choppy day. No, you didn't really grab any highs before a push down. So you may be looking to target this very minor little double top here before a potential break of this level. If you need to grab liquidity, and who knows, then could we be seeing this upside push all the way back up into here? Yeah, very possible. Very, very possible. So let me just clean this up for a second. Got too many levels. Just wait out previous double bottom 5. Yeah, nice. Yeah. So you see that previous hourly that just closed, wicked out previous hourly low, didn't actually close back below. So could you start breaking back above? Maybe. Kind of here again when you had this push down in Asia. What did you not do before this push up? You never really re-grabbed the lows. So you haven't grabbed the highs and you haven't really grabbed the lows. I would probably imagine you're gonna have a trend line. Have you already broken out the trend line? Yeah, you're kind of breaking out of this trend line here. You had this little trend line coming up here. You've now broken it, rejected it a lot to the upside. Could you push back down? I don't know. I can kind of see both sides on gold right now. That's why it's kind of difficult. I can see both sides, which is good. That's how you need to be. You need to be, open to both sides. But it's just a matter of, well, where are we going to look to target first? Can't really take any downside until you start actually closing bearish below here. If you re-break this previous hourly low, could you keep pushing down? Possibly. Let's just have a look at this 30-minute times. This was my hourly Asia range I was watching here that I was staying patient of. We can kind of see the reason I'm not in these sells right now personally is because I was waiting to see if you could grab these highs before a potential push down. So I didn't take this little dip here because this never got grabbed. So to see that grab today, is a pretty nice level. We just got to be wary of, are we going to see a little bit of downside first? You kind of have like 3 equal 30 lows here as well. Look at that. It's like 3 perfect equal lows. So could you come and target some of that? Yeah, possible. There's a lot of options on gold today, which is good. This range, like from down here back up to these highs, it's like 50 tick range, which is good. I'll trade a 50 tick range absolutely. We just need to kind of see a bit more of a clearer direction, to be honest. I do also like that yesterday. What did you not do before this push down? You left pretty much a perfect double top, unless it's been grabbed in the 4 hour. Yeah, kind of nice. There's a pretty beautiful evening star on the 4 hour actually. Lovely evening star on the 4 hour, trying to break back below that support. May tap it. It's kind of difficult. Hourly, it's 2 equal highs, and the 4 hourly, it's an evening star. So which one do you go off? I don't know. If we do start to break, I won't drop down to the 15 just yet. If the 30 is not really making sense to me, the 15 isn't either. But if we look like we're going to grab the lows and close back above this level, then we can start dropping down to the 15 and look for this push back up. Or we'll wait for the first 15 close and kind of see what we can get here. 30 is looking quite nice though. It's a pretty steep rejection there on the 30. You did close below the previous, but it's a pretty decent wick there. But yeah, let's see. He's got what, 1, 2, 3 triple top up there. You're gonna have what, a little Maybe a little trend line like that, maybe, or maybe like this. People probably trying to buy off right now, possibly. Forex spread is disgusting. Yeah, forex spread is disgusting, man. I use Ninja personally, man. Ninja Trader for personal. Greetings from Mallorca. Greetings, man. Good morning. Very nice. Mallorca. Did anyone on Zoom get these buys up yesterday? I didn't trade it. I didn't watch it personally, but it actually ends up having a lovely rip. Look at that. Solid 15 bearish push. Ripped straight back up. Huge. Huge, huge, huge. We'll probably be looking at this trend line maybe from like here now as well. You start coming back into here. Be another retail trap. So how long did it take you to master this strategy? I wouldn't say I've ever mastered a trading strategy, but I've been trading for 6 years. I don't ever see a strategy and think I've mastered it. I've been trading gold. I've been trading gold like this way, realistically, probably like maybe 3 or 4 years. First 2 years was nowhere near trading to this level. Understanding the markets like this, that's for sure. So I'd say like this, yeah, probably like 3 years or so. Puerto Rico in the house. Nice, nice, nice. You guys from all around the world. Nice. Puerto Rico, that's cool, man. What time is it in Puerto Rico? Is it crazy late there or is it crazy early? I feel like it's crazy late. Let me have a look. Puerto Rico time. 3 a.m. Holy shit. Nice. What a grind. Yeah, I agree, Mario. Yeah, 80 man's game at the minute, man. You know, if we start breaking back above these levels, you know, buys are going to be really nice. The same to the lows, you know, you start breaking back below these lows, sells are going to also be really nice. It's kind of not trying to force too much just before that. Third month in trading. 2 years and 9 months to go. Third month. Awesome, man. Awesome. You've got plenty of time. I don't make any money in trading for the first 2 years. I've said that many times. I sucked at trading for the first 2 years. Don't expect anything in your first year. Anyone who tells you can become a full-time trader in less than like a year is lying to you. There's always this there's this need today to become like full-time trader so quick. But to me, my goal was never to become, you know, a full-time trader in like a certain amount of time. I think my goal was even ever to become a full-time trader, to be honest. It was something I always wanted to do, but it's not something I like, you know, wanted to just be my sole purpose. I always wanted to have other things as well. 1 a.m. we got New. Oh, you got New. Oh, I thought it was. Oh, good. So it was 3 a.m. Nice. Nice. It's quite a big. It is quite a big trading scene in Puerto Rico, actually. Only a hobby, yeah. Only a hobby, yeah. Yeah. You say that. You say you could treat it like a hobby, but yeah, it's fucking unlikely, you know. John, for day trading, should we focus on the 5-minute execution, 15 and 30, or should we take... Yeah, I look at the hourly, man, just to, you know, in a situation like this where it's so choppy, like I don't even like to go down to the low time frame because you get too chopped up. I look at the hourly, like the buys yesterday, to see if we're around like a, you know, big like hourly level of support or resistance to kind of understand what I'm gonna do on the lower time frame. You're not going to necessarily execute trades and manage it off the hourly for day trading. Well, you can, but I personally don't. You'll be analyzing, you know, hourly closures and then 30 and 15 for the direction, and yeah, 5 minute for execution, man. I don't really execute off the hourly too much. Highest time frame I really execute on these days is probably like the 30. Yeah, regrabbing these 30 lows here. I didn't trust that rejection. So it'd be interesting to see if you actually start to. If you got the 15 close in a minute and a half here as well. I never trust this initial rejection here on gold. Where was the gold buys we spoke about yesterday as well? Where was it? Gold buys were beautiful yesterday. Where is it? Here. This was the gold buys yesterday. Oh, you can't see it probably. What the hell? Oh, there you go. Yeah, that's what we were looking at yesterday. We were talking about this trend line coming on down here. Said most people will probably be trying to short here. Stops just above that high. Looking for this to push back up and grab that. And I just realized it actually then came up and actually re-grabbed it pretty perfectly there. So the US session ended up having quite a nice push yesterday actually. Goldy pushing down here. Come back to New Zealand. No plans at the minute, man. No plans at the minute. One day, definitely, man. One day, for sure. One day, I'll definitely back in New Zealand. Man. I love New Zealand. Absolutely. Good for a new trader moving gold. Yeah, 100%. Yeah. You think gold looks like it moves slower, but it actually doesn't. Like when you're trading futures on gold, like you catch like 20 ticks 2 to 3 times a week, and that is more than enough. So you measure this move down here. This little drop down today is like 27 ticks. So that's a big move, you know. I wouldn't recommend Nasdaq to new traders personally. S&P maybe, not Nasdaq personally. I think gold is much better for newer traders and just overall, even for experienced traders. I don't think Nasdaq's nice to trade personally. We want to be in the short, never grab it before our stops. Yeah, I know, man. Yeah, yeah. I'm very surprised we didn't grab that, which makes me think any kind of lower push down here, you are going to see that grab. So we just had that 15 close. 15 has just closed below the previous low. Could you take sells back down into these areas? 5 ticks? No, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. I was trying to see if you could take the sell on the 15 back down to grab these areas, tap back down to here, but it's as of right now, it's not worth it. More know what's going on. Hey Harry, what's going on, man? When you enter yesterday on the buy, here. This is 7:30. We took the buys yesterday. Here, where is it? That was our buy yesterday. We got like 19 ticks. 19 ticks yesterday. Hello from India. Hey man, what's going on? Ah, John, nice. I didn't realize that was you, man. Nice. Oh, good man. Good to have you in, man. Fuck, that's crazy. Has that been like a... I bet it's been like a year. I went for that hot pot. About a year, yeah. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. How's the trading been going, John? In the year? Because I think you were trading... I won't say his name. You were trading with this guy, I believe, or you were learning from that guy, I believe you said. How many contracts would you Jerry trade in personal? Like 5. 5 is probably like my happy medium, comfortable spot. 5 is pretty good enough for me. At the minute, anyway. Depends on how well you can manage your risk as well, right? Hard advice here at the time almost makes you want to give up. But time goes quick. You realise 2 years and you go, yeah, it does, man. Yeah, it goes quick. It does go quick. Fun thing, please. If you just wanted to delve in, yeah, nice one. Yeah, nice. Yeah, take some time going through it all, man. Absolutely. Take some time going through it all. 3 days a week. Oh, that's annoying, man. That's annoying. Yeah, I was looking at this 15 sell, but I'm not, the range to the downside is too small for me to want to take this. This is what I was looking at. The reason I'm not in this is because you have to be break even right here. So almost right now you'd have to be break even. And it's only 4 ticks. If you do end up coming down to here, sure. But as this would be starting to reject as soon as you hit these levels, if I was in this, you gotta be aggressive with the management. The downside range is just too tight for me just yet. It's fine. We got time. I do like overall gold to push up today. I do like it to regrab yesterday's high. It just needs to kind of get up there a little bit more. Kind of 2 equal daily highs, 2 equal daily lows with the way that yesterday closed. No news. Let's have a look. It's going to be a choppy play here on gold. I'm trying not to get too zoned in on like a 5 today until at least this 30 breaks out. You know, if this 30 clears this level, then I'll definitely be looking for some sells. You just need an actual breakout of like, you know, this level. You got this fake out here. This support's been respected very well to the left. So you can see here, big fake out again. So it's a strong level. You close below this level here in the next 10 minutes, then amazing. I'll have some sells, absolutely. Take it back down to these areas because you're gonna have what come into these regions. I think there's probably quite a lot of reasons for people wanting to try and to jump in long here. You kind of did. You broke out of that one, though. You kind of broken out of that inner trend line. You have that outer trend line there. As long as you don't close too aggressively bearish. Sells down into this. And the 15 doesn't really look like we would need to, but it's only when you look at it on the 30, kind of 2 little 30 equal lows. So you may look to come and fill that in. Yeah, hourly as well. For hourly, it was a liquidity grab. Pretty tough. Pretty tough. 2181. Yeah, that'd be beautiful. Yeah, I think if you start coming up there, you're likely going to see gold come back up to like 286, 285 ish, back up to these areas. It's kind of what I'm looking for here. You know, maybe shake out some early buyers, stop out some people, and then see that retracement. I'm pretty much looking to come like back up into this massive area. It's kind of what I'm looking for here today and overall. Come back up into here. And then once you do get back up there, then that's the real play. It's come and grab these lows. You never really grabbed them before this big rip. But I think if we're going to see the push back up into these areas, looks like you're going to need to wick out these lows here. And then to the moon. Look at that. Beautiful. Consumer confidence will be interesting as well. Hopefully it gives some volume. Remember, it's there's no trading on Friday at all. Futures markets are actually fully closed. I thought it was a half day, but they're actually fully closed. No top step trading on Friday at all. I assume it's probably the same for what? FTMO. 2150 is a key level. Yeah, 2150 is a key level. This is my my daily levels here. 2150 is a very strong level, and 2200 as well. Ultimate counter on Friday. Nice, Alad. Nice. That's crazy, man. That's good, man. Yeah, 2150 is a solid support. You break that, you'll see a decent push down into 2100. That's pretty much what I'm looking for. You know, the the next few weeks. Remember, you got this monthly close in what? Friday, Saturday. Have a quick look at the monthly here on gold. Always remember to check your monthly closes. Yeah, it'll be very, very, very interesting to see if gold closes above this previous monthly high, or do we start wicking back down and start, you know, leaving this big wick rejection. You got a very, very interesting close this week. Very interesting close. You got what? Good Friday and then daylight savings on what, Sunday or something, I believe. What an absolute, like, gold has just been on just an insane move to start the year. An insane move. When was that? It was back in October. Let's see. We're gonna get this 30 close in 5 minutes. So that's the reason I didn't take that 15 flip. As soon as it grabs these lows here, oh, you didn't actually grab the lows. As soon as it taps into that level, you got to be break even. So you'd be out there at break even anyway. That's why it wasn't worth it. 30's holding up that support here. 30's holding up that support. Interesting. When did you say your US session this week, Alan? Did you say it was what? Oh, you're going to say Friday, but you can't do Friday.
Today.
Oh, today, nice.
Today. Yeah, today. I'll be jumping on US today.
Good man.
Possibly Thursday, depending how the weather is.
Nice.
Or, the internet signals, obviously. Crap weather, shit internet.
Yeah, but the weather's fucking crap here as well.
Absolutely. And it's half too earlier for the kids, so it's just like...
Yeah, it's so annoying, man. There's nothing to do.
No, it's just... When I was a kid, I never remembered weather like this.
It's crazy.
I remember all my holidays absolutely boiling, but
Yeah.
it's...
You need to move to the west coast, Aaron.
Yeah, I know, man. Is it blue skies there?
Clear blue, not cloud in sight.
Man,
no,
what a joke.
west is best. I don't know what's going on.
Right, Sydney's still good.
Nice.
We're on the east.
Nice.
Yourself from you, Aaron.
That's just up here, I guess, yeah.
Yeah. It's been lovely here.
Shit. It's been fucking horrible here. Feels like being back in the UK. This...
Keeps you humble.
Yeah, I guess so, man, yeah. I needed it. This 30 closes back above this level. I am tempted to look for these longs up into here. Got like 30 tick range. $30's at a different price, same chart. Really? You on the spot one? I'm on the spot one here. We've got the futures up here. Same as Gold Coast, non-stop rain, feels like Melbourne. Yeah, it's crazy, man. Queensland's getting it at the moment. Thought he's gonna be closed. Did you? You didn't grab the lows. It's slightly annoying. I would take these buys right now. The fact that you just rejected a perfect double bottom. Let's see how we close. Yeah, gold. Anything can happen in the next 1 minute on gold, as we know. How's the 5 and the futures looking? 5 back up. Back up at that VWAP again. Yeah, nice drop there again. What time is that? 7 AM. Had a nice drop off the VWAP. Look at that. 20 ticks. Quick 70, 150. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. Most people are trying to short gold right now. 58% people short. So a lot of people trying to short gold here. which is interesting because I think you'll probably see it spike a little bit higher. Average short price in the futures chart around 71.63. 71.63. Just realized my Top Step X platform only moves in increments of 0.5 and 0.1. 0.1, I mean, sorry. Yeah, this 30 is going to be nice. If this 30 closes like this, a bottom wick, and you may look for a little morning star play here. It's pretty annoying that he didn't grab the lows, but it's also a very nice rejection. It's very annoying he didn't grab them lows, actually. I mean, if you get an instant decent bottom wick, take the break of the high, you can probably manage pretty well. Let's see how this futures opens here. Let's see. Let me just see how this futures is going to open. Yeah, it's actually starting to close bullish doji as well, which is nice. This is a lovely, lovely rejection. Did you grab anything on the hourly? Yeah, he grabbed previous hourly lows as well. Instant bottom wick here. Yeah, it is. Yeah, you got instant bottom wick on the futures, instant top wick on the currency. Alright. Okay, see ya. So if you're having the instant push up, are you now going to start the push back down? Solid rejection there. It's a solid level. So I think it looks so bearish. You try jumping sells before you know it, before it closes straight back up. That's why you always have to wait for these closures on gold. It's so key. 5 minute, grab the lows, close bullish. And go for the previous. Did you grab the lows? Oh, no, you actually didn't. No, no, you didn't. Bullish and go and break back above. Big push. I believe we didn't grab them lows. That's crazy. The amount of bottom wicks that we got yesterday. Gold's not giving us any bottom wicks today. 7 ticks.
Tricky, isn't it? Really tricky.
Yeah, it's still just a bit of a shit range, man. It looks nice on the 5. You're looking on 30, it's like it's just a it's like very, very slow. Damn, I missed it. Nah, I wouldn't worry. I don't think you've missed it. If the 30 opens and instantly pushes up, then this is probably the top wick for it to then come back down. I know I would, if I'm trying to go long on the next 30, I would never go long on the first 5 minute, because that's typically going to be the false move. It's unlikely, I mean it's possible, but it's unlikely that the 30 is just going to open and the 5 is just going to push and keep pushing for the rest of the 30 close. It's possible, but it's unlikely.
The issues I can see levels of interest everywhere.
Yeah, so many, man.
So it's just like, oh yeah, I could go long there, like after the break even there, and TP there.
Yeah.
I could go short there, and vice versa.
Yeah, 100%, man. So like your kind of best bet in this situation, grab the lows, then amazing. Then you know I'd be longs to the moon, or vice versa. Grab the highs and then I'd go short. Anything kind of in between here. Like where was my? Did I delete it? Yeah, I think I. Wait, what chart was I just on? Oh, I mixed up all my charts here. Yeah, my kind of Asia range was like this, pretty much not touching it in anywhere in here. Strong support, strong resistance. Gotta let the markets come to you.
Previously I would the white one got
Yeah.
the rejection to the highs, that's the one that I got manipulated, and now
Yeah.
that's the double top I was talking.
Well, the 4 hour, 4 hours wicked this double bottom here. Next 4 hours retested. So I do like this 4 hour to keep pushing up. That 30 double bottoms, damn annoying. Yeah.
3 candles.
Yeah. Grab some lows, but not all of them. Yeah, me too, man.
Do you reckon you'll be doing a New York stream later?
Yeah, that'll be on. For sure.
Yes, please. I'll join.
No, sweet. It'll be good to see you. Yeah, I'll jump on US around 1:30 UK time ish.
Yeah, sweet. Yeah, just you put in the full open.
Yeah, I'll put it in the Discord, yeah. You jumping on or no?
Yeah, if we get some breakouts, man. Yeah, if there's any sort of direction, I will.
Sweet.
If it's still kind of just chops, I'll probably not. You got news at 2 p.m. You got big news at 2 p.m. London time, so I'll hopefully you get volume before that. But yeah, it depends. If there's something shaping up, yeah, absolutely. So we finished white. What did I miss? All good, all good. Nothing just yet. Pretty much just waiting for either grab of the lows or grab of the highs to be able to actually do something here, pretty much. So nothing just yet. Enter in short now. Yeah, if you want to. I wouldn't short here, but if you want to. I wouldn't short here. You've just had a massive 30 rejection and a bullish 15 candle. Full margin shorts. Everyone's going short. I'm not going short. Full margin. You can't go short because there's no like where you're going to put your stop loss. You put your stop loss above this resistance, you're going to get hunted like all retail traders. Because price can easily do that and then do that. Same as the longs. Let's have a look at something else I was waiting. Let's have a look at see how Nasdaq closed yesterday. Bearish regrabbing the lows. Rejected that resistance. I can't remember who asked about Nasdaq yesterday, but I was saying short that resistance into these lows. Ended up having a pretty decent drop there. Completely came back up into the US session. Chopped around a lot. It doesn't look like Nasdaq really knows what it's doing either, to be honest. Look at that. So much noise. That was a lovely grab though. Huge liquidity grab. Closed back bullish. Lovely little drive up there yesterday on Nasdaq at the open. That would be a nice little push. Oil. Daily back bullish again. You got 3 equal lows here on oil. If you start grabbing the highs, you could see oil do something like that. Come tap back into this trend line here before seeing a potential push. $15 pushing here on Goldie. We're in no man's land. Yeah, no man's land. Yeah, pretty much, man. Yeah, anywhere in here is just pure noise. I'm trying not to zone in too much. I think we're gonna have to probably wait for a. Well, the owlies grab the lows. So if this owlie breaks out, then amazing. We got amazing buys. Took 10 ticks, 1 contract, tagged me on the flip. Nice, man. Nice. We got a nice drive now. A little gap down on the futures, push back higher. Any shorts on top step have all been taken out there. Close back above the VWAP again. Bottom wick on the 5, push higher. Interesting. Doesn't look like that 30 wants to give us a bottom wick. We may have to take it on maybe a 15 here. Yeah, buys up into this resistance now are going to be nice. Now buys are starting to look nice because you'll get a lot of people right now trying to do this. A lot of retails will try and short here, put their stop loss just above that high, looking for this big play down. So to see gold continue to spike out them highs looks nice. Now it just kind of needs to have an entry where it makes sense. Do you want to start buying here, stop loss below the 15? Not really. Has to give you the entry. If you come and grab some 5 lows without grabbing this high, we are going to have some longs here on gold. This is going to be an area where I would imagine a lot of people are probably going to try and jump in short. Lows. Yeah, I wanted to see it grab the 30 lows, man. These ones here. Just work out that little double bottom right there. There. Yeah, I just wanted to see that grabbed before this push. So now you could be looking for something like this, and then possible. Means to blow your account, absolutely. Decent rejection there, which is nice. Bring in some sellers.
About to break even.
What were you in? You in some longs?
Yeah.
Nice. If you bottom wick here into these 5 lows, I will look for a buy on the break of this high. Up into here. I need to grab the lows, otherwise it's not worth it buying it here, because you've got nowhere to manage risk. You have it there, but it's kind of risky. 17. Nah, I need some lows grabbed if we're going to take these buys. I need some lows grabbed. The reason I need the lows grabbed is because I need a place where the stop loss makes more sense to make it worthwhile. Once you do grab the lows, what do you have up into that? You got what? Yeah, like 20 ticks into them highs is pretty nice. Yeah, just that double top up there to grab. See if you can grab that first. If you grab the lows, I'll put it in. Yeah, pretty much, just to make it worthwhile. It's not worth it buying it here for me. Just ranging, just a choppy range.
Sorry guys, I didn't realise I wasn't on it.
That's all good, man. All good, man.
She's gonna come golfing with me today.
Nice.
Oh, God, give us something, eh?
You're gonna break the high. So it's probably gonna break the high and push from here by the looks of it. I'm not taking it there. Ten ticks. Don't think 10. Trying to scalp 10 there. I don't think it's worth it personally. So would you trade 3 contracts on a 50k? Nah, I wouldn't trade 3 contracts now. Way too much. It depends on how you can manage your risk. I can't tell you what contract to use. How big's your average stop loss? How much do you usually risk per trade? It's not really just like a pick a random number and go with that kind of thing. You need to know your data to know which contract size to use. All depends on how you can manage your risk. But now I think 3 is way too much. I'd use like 2 max. But if you can manage your stop loss at like sub 10 ticks, then yeah, sure. But if your stop loss is bigger than that, then that. No wait. No wait. There's that push on Goldie. Looks like that 5 flip looks like it was enough. PE. What are you gonna see there? There's a 15. 15's gonna close here. Potential. You got 15 bottom wick potential. Anyone who was selling gold there is going to be getting stopped out pretty aggressively. Could you flip this 15? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Nah. Not worth it for me. He's doing his longs. I have the longs. I think I stopped out. Are you still in the longs, Mario? Where did you get your longs from? Like down here? Did you get this one or this one? You can't really put this one in because your resistance is right there. So it's like you're hoping to catch, what, 5 ticks? It's just not worth it. I'm not in this, by the way, guys. It's not worth it. I'm just drawing it up to see how it would have gone, but the reason I'm not taking it is just too close to them highs. I'm not trying to squeeze out 5 ticks. Your downside risk is too big to try and squeeze it out. Are you gonna do it, Goldie? 30 might break. 30 and Audi might give us a pretty decent breakout here. A pretty decent breakout. Cheers, all gotta go. Thanks, Aaron. Yeah, no worries, Alan. See you next time, man. This is the reason I'm not in this one. You just grabbed previous 15 highs. You still haven't grabbed this resistance. So if you do bottom wick a little bit more, I will actually be looking to see if we can get in this soon now. Because you bottom wick more. It has to be minimum like 20 ticks. So if we look at like a 15, say 15, you got to be at least 15. So if we come back down, maybe like into here, I'll actually look to take some buys here. Give us an entry, Goldie. Give us an entry. How's the Audi look? Yeah, Audi's just left a perfect double top there. So we're actually starting to shape up nicely. 30. Yep, 30 equal highs. I'm not in this, by the way, yet, guys. I'll tell you when I go in. I'm not in this. I need some sort of 5-minute rejections. Yeah, man, yeah. You could have 5.
Wait for the candle to close so you can see there's a rejection, or would you just do it and no swing
Yeah, no. If this 5 minute closes back below here, I won't take it at all. Personally, yeah. If it closes back below here, I'll just continue to range. I need it to grab these lows and close back above here. I think that's probably too far away though. No point. Spread will start to be way too high. Different moving across the futures. Yeah, get the futures, man. Get the futures. Yeah, the 5 minute closes back below here. I won't be taking anything. Last time you closed back below here, you pushed down.
Do you usually set your levels on, like, if you're just trading on a smaller time frame, you'll put a level somewhere, and on bigger time frames, you put sort of bigger key levels?
Yeah, these ones are just off, like, just trying to go through as many of these previous wicks. Like, I'm just trying to, I look left at, like, all these. Breaks above, straight back blows, that's like a fake out. You can see how well it's respected here and here. And this is a strong 30 level as well. Here, there's that kind of, this is kind of my 30 range that I'm not really looking to get stuck into. Here and here, I'm not really looking to get trapped in here. 5 minutes just closed back below it now. Instant top wick, you probably see us drive down more. I'm not looking to, no longs on Goldie just yet. I ain't looking to get trapped in this. No longs for me just yet. Do you look at the gold spot chart execute on the GC platform? Yeah, I do, man. Yep. The reason I use the spot chart is because it grabs highs and lows more than the futures. It's a big part of the plan. Sometimes futures can leave like perfect double tops. And then sometimes the currency will grab it. So if you're waiting for it to get grabbed in the futures, it necessarily won't. Look at that. That was beautiful, man. Look at that. Yeah, so always just look at the spot. Execute off the futures. Look at that. Oh, is that gonna be I might get a little 5 fake out there. As long as you don't just rip these highs. Let's see, is this 5 going to fake out? Look at a 15 rejecting. I mean, if the 5 does close, it's pretty key, eh? Shit, it's so simple. Well, my oven people haven't showed up, so...
Sorry?
My oven people haven't showed up. Motherfuckers. Yeah, it's supposed to be delivered between 4 and 6 PM. Well, they got 8 minutes. It might turn up in 8 minutes, I don't know. Who am I to judge? Who am I to judge?
Yeah, I'm hoping that the VWAP on the futures, I got it on the futures chart and my trading the chart.
Yeah, 100%, man. 100%.
I think it respects it better on the futures.
Yeah. Definitely. Definitely. The futures is basically already grabbing this high here. Currency is nowhere near it. Don't rush the oven, people. Because of rush. Yeah, true. True. We're gonna get this London Open here in 50 seconds as well. No, sorry, 5 minutes. I'm hoping it kind of gives a little bit more clarity than this. I'm hoping it breaks out here. You break out, you've grabbed the lows, you're clearing this annoying little range. Amazing, you got buys all the way up into here. So I would really like to see this hourly break out here. It's looking like it's going to. I mean, if this 15 does flip bullish, could you start to take it on the break of the high? It's a pretty decent bottom wick now. Could have just bought off that level and you'd be laughing. You'd be laughing. Wait for the close.
Gold levels,
It's just so simple, man, yeah.
especially, I might just even go away contract sizes and just go up levels.
Yeah, 100%.
Okay. Then go back up. Go back down.
Yeah.
It's like unreal.
Especially that one. That one's beautiful. Went broke back below. Hadn't grabbed the lows. Oh, that's fucking clean. What time is that? Was it? Yeah, 1 AM. Yeah.
Even those 15.
Yeah.
I know that you can go off there, and I know probably stop loss would be down here somewhere.
Yeah, actual stop as if you close below.
Yeah, yeah. But it's stupid because on my phone I trade like that.
Hmm. Yeah.
And I don't trade like that on stop stuff.
Nah, because I can't sit. I do that as well because I won't sit here and watch it. I'll like if I execute off the 15, I'll come back with it once the 15's actually closed. Whereas if you watch it,
Yeah.
you'll just close it out. And gold loves it when it actually closes. I do the same. I just won't sit here and watch it.
And I tried to have a look at trading on the app, traded it. No,
Nah.
no thank you.
Look at this 5. Bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Do you execute trades from TradingView in your broker directory? Yeah, I don't take trades on TradingView personally. I take them here. I don't like you can on futures you can trade straight on TradingView, but I don't like to. I don't like to see my positions on the same place I'm doing my analysis personally. But once you're getting used to futures, it's not a bad idea. I prefer not to though. Look at this 5. Just messing around. 5 minutes this morning on long gold, very nice. Beautiful, beautiful. This is why if I wasn't sat here right now, this is my 30 resistance, this is my 30 support. Literally do nothing until it breaks out. If it breaks out, amazing. Next 30 minutes, then you take the trade. That's why I was looking at all Asia. I was like, this is my range. I do 0 in here. 0. Yeah, I will be, John. Yeah. We're on an hour earlier, man. Yeah, so we starting at 4 PM Brisbane time next week. Yeah, 4 PM Brisbane time. Which would be nice, actually. It's kind of nicer to jump on early. I like jumping on earlier. Yeah, 4 PM Brisbane time. Yeah, Sunday, man, yeah. They don't change here, but they change everywhere else.
Really?
Yeah, doesn't change here.
What time does it get light with you in the mornings?
Pretty early, I think. I usually get up at like 7:30. It's already light.
Yeah, starting to get nice shit.
Look at this 5 minute on gold. Gold printing like a barcode up here. Oh, that sounds like a van outside. Let me see. Yeah, it is. Alright guys, probably give me like 10 minutes of people here. We're not missing anything. I'll be 10 minutes. Alright, we're back. We're back. What's Goldie up to? Not much. Well, I'm playing on my phone. What the hell's going on here? Let's have a look. Oh, 10 ticks. Aaron's way should move, yeah. Sounds about right. And the cells, nice, yeah. Solid push down there on Goldie. Oh, two of the guys are in the waiting room. Had the owlie just close. Straight back in the range. Just grab previous owlie highs, grab previous owlie lows. This is our range, pretty much. Not really a lot to really work with here, to be honest. Unfortunately. I mean, if we can see this, hourly flip bullish and break out this range, and you could have some buys, but with the way that 5 minutes just closed straight back into this range, I really don't see anything on gold right now. Excuse me. Like here, if you re-break this hourly high here, buys, absolutely. Had two of them, they're so good. Interesting chairs. Yeah, that one's good. Yeah, it's good, man. Yeah, this one's good. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah, I must have got it about, probably like over maybe 2 years ago or something now. So making my moves across the trade of 8 nice scoring, nice. Good to hear, man. Good to hear. Oh, is this an hourly gonna flip bullish? Only 7 minutes in. Yeah, if you can, yes, 15's also looking nice. If you can see this 15 flip back bullish here on gold, you might have some longs in a second. I'll tell you guys when I put it in. Because you still didn't grab any highs. If you see this 15 flip back bullish, you may actually now have an even bigger drive up. I want to see this reject a little bit more. Probably see this next 5 close, and then we can look to put this in soon. I have nothing in just yet. Nothing in just yet here. I'll wait for this 5. We're just watching the 5 here on the futures. See how this 5 closes. The 5 closes, literally fucking bounced off that VWAP perfectly again. Nice. Oh, look at this 5. Yeah, this 5 is about to be beautiful. How long we got to this 5 close? We got, I'm not in this building, guys. We got 2 minutes to see this 5 close. See this 5 close back above here, and we're in for some longs. What was that push? That was a very quick 16 tick push. Look at that. Yeah, if we can see this. See this 5 close nice and bullish. Yeah, we're gonna look for some buys here. There's a pretty nice quick instant turnaround there. You'd be risking off the 15 low now, so your stop loss is like 15 ticks, which is great. Let's see. That's funny. I said the oven guys aren't coming. They literally came at 6 on the dot. Never underestimate the oven men. I don't think that's what they call it. I think they're called oven men. But never underestimate the oven men. They should be watching the stream. That's what they should be doing. They're waiting for the London Open. Yeah, they're waiting for the London Open, yeah. They're watching the stream. $50 seconds here on Goldie. 50 seconds. If this, if we start breaking previous hourly highs, you got gold buys like all the way back up into like some decent areas. I don't really want to miss that move. Like back up into these highs. You're talking like a 50 plus tick move here. I just really want this 5 just to, you know, 5 minutes closed, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bearish, bullish. Probability is next 5 is going to close bearish. Maybe I just really want this to actually just close above. A nice bullish engulfing, nice bottom wick. And then we'll take it. We'll take it. I don't want to get chopped up, but we are getting some nice volume now.
Do you just want a bottom wick? You don't, I mean a decent bottom wick. You don't want it to wick out any lows this time.
Yeah, nah. I wouldn't want it to come anywhere near this. Just with how that 15 is looking. Because that 15 has kind of been the liquidity grab.
I see, right, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So is it, what did that, had that 5 just close? I'm not in this just yet. Bit of a bottom wick here now. Could you flip on that 5? Yeah, a little bit more. I'll be managing way before that. I just don't want to get stuck in a sideways position. That's my only concern here. Yeah, you could have a buy on the break of this 5 higher. I personally don't have it, and I don't know. This volume is just skeptical to me. I've just been trapped in this gold volume so many times that it's a bit skeptical. So I personally don't have anything in here. If it bottom wicks more, you know, if I'm going to see the 5 flip, I'd like it to flip more towards, like, you know, the end of the candle. Not within, like, the first 30 seconds. So if we start wicking down more, then yeah, sure. Then I will put it in. On the futures, you're looking at, you'd be looking around, like, 73.7-ish. Yeah, I'm going to put it in now. I'm going to put that in above the current 5 high. See if we can, well, what, halfway through, this is going to be the close of the last 5 of the 15 as well. So if this 5 doesn't flip bullish, the 15 will still be respecting that resistance. We'll just cancel the order and wait. But if this 5 can flip bullish and this 15 can re-break out, amazing. If it doesn't, we will look to cancel. Oh, Goldie. Oh, there you go. Oh. Alright, I'm in here. I have my stop below this low. I'm gonna have my stop in below this current 5 low. If it comes to create a new low, I don't want to be in. So I'm only gonna be risking like 4 ticks. I want to see this actually drive. Give us some good volume. Because if it comes back down to create a new low, it's probably just gonna range. 73.45. And we're looking to break even point will be here, but my target is actually much higher on this trade. What do you have here? Yeah, here you'll manage. Oh, I mean, you'll manage even if this 5 doesn't close bullish. You have just grabbed the previous 5 highs as well. If you start going back to entry now, I may get ready to close some. Well, let's see. Let's see how this 5 closes. I have changed my, just if anyone is interested, I have changed my contract size to half, because if it now starts to wick down to my entry, I'm going to close 50% and keep the other 50 below the current 5 low. So it breaks that. If it comes back to entry, I don't want to be in. I'm about to close 50% soon. Come on, Goldie, have the push, because then remember, if this 5 doesn't have a big push, the 15 still needs a bottom wick on the next candle here. So you got to be wary of that as well. You don't want to get trapped in a 15 bottom wick that stops you out. What have we hit there? Very minor. What? 4 ticks. I think this 15. I think this 15 bottom wick's gonna get us. What do we have? 1 more minute. Yeah, I'm going to get ready to close at break even if this comes down more. because the 15 is still going to give a bottom wick. My finger is on the trigger to flatten this if it comes back down full at break even. Only because, like I say, that 15 it's unlikely just going to open and just rip. So you may as well just wait for it to give the bottom wick. 20 seconds, Goldie. If it doesn't come to break even, get ready to quickly go to break even as well. Oh. Alright, I'm actually gonna put my actual stop to break even here on gold. If it comes back down now, I don't want to be in. So my actual stop is gonna get rolled here. We do have to survive the bottom wick at a 15, which is the only concern. My entry on the futures is around 73.7. Let's see.
Exactly what I am.
73.7, nice. Instant top wick. Not ideal. Unless you just rip the highs. Oh, go on, Goldie. Go on, Goldie. Look at that. Now we're talking. What are you hitting there? Just hitting about 10. This here was going to be break-even point anyway. This is a strong rejection level that we've rejected off in the past. So to not reject it off just because we're longs wouldn't be logical. So even if we weren't break-even, here is where we would be break-even. I can't see my position on Top Step X for some reason. Like I can see that I'm in it, but the actual like line on the chart isn't there. I don't know why. I don't know if anyone's ever had that before. You're about to grab these highs. What we did in 12 ticks. Oh, beautiful. All right. What are we hitting there? Yeah, 16. Yeah, I'm going to close half there personally. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. 410, 430. Yeah, beautiful. All right. I just closed like 70% there. I'm going to leave a little runner at break even, because I do have this to come much higher. But as soon as you start grabbing these highs here, these are the highs where every retail trader would have sold here, stop loss just above that high. So as soon as you start wicking these highs, take some partials. So I've just closed 70%. You can leave some runners. I was in this too, so I can only leave one. It's like, it was like 50, but I'm leaving a 1 in there. Because my target, like I say, my target is much higher in this trade. Runners could really pay here today, but close a decent portion of your position. If you want to close full. It's you've just got like a what risk to reward was that? That was like a, oh, wasn't that fucking small, but it was a like a 1 to 3.5 risk to reward in like 10 minutes. So, you know, if you want to take some off, don't be worried. Sorry, man. Yeah, that's the thing, man. It's because you would have had so many people trying to sell this here with their stop loss just above that high. So as soon as when you have these liquidity grabs, you have these decent spikes into everyone's stop loss. A lovely stop hunt there. So that was not a trade out of liquidity. Well, it was because you had the liquidity grab here, but we were buying up into liquidity, and that's what's been working so well at the minute. So I closed 50% at what, 16? I closed 50%. Closed half at 16. Sell a stop. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. AJ, very, very true, man. I also forget about that sometimes as well. But that's very true. Their stop loss is a buy order. Yeah, it's very important, man. Oh, look at this. It's gonna push. This is gonna push. Next target will be here. You guys on YouTube, get them W's in the chat. You guys on Zoom, if you guys did get it, post a little message in Zoom. Let me know that you guys got it. Lovely, lovely push there.
Values.
The oven men almost costed me there.
Okay.
Look at that.
Aaron, did you buy that just off the rejected? On the five?
Nah, this was off the 15 liquidity grab here. 15 grab and previous 15 lows. And then that execution, yeah, off the 5, yeah. Look at that, everyone getting it today. Look at that. Beautiful. 141 people tuned in. Gold buys. Buying up into where most people were trying to sell. Literally 0 drawdown in that position, took the break of the high. Grabbing out anyone who was trying to sell gold. Amazing. All taken live. Beautiful. What a lovely push. What a push. Who's still holding some of this? Who's still holding?
I am.
Good man.
I am.
Good man. Ideally up into here. Me. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah. Got another 48p. Yeah, nice, nice. Good job, Ben. Trailing. Nice. Yeah. W. Nice. Yeah. Well, contract. Nice. Beautiful. Looks like a lot of you guys got it. Oh, someone raised their hand. How do you do that? Yeah, you can ask a question. Anyone can ask a question. So I didn't realize you could put your hand up. That's pretty cool. Go ahead and catch you guys later. Enjoy. What are you hitting there? 20 ticks. Look at that. Yeah, one. Yeah, I only have one on this as well. To the moon. If this 5 breaks above, I'll probably put in my 50% like here. I do have it like, it's like here right now. It's like around there.
I got it below the previous point.
What a nice trade. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, lovely push. London volume's back. London volume is back.
Very nice, very good.
Yeah, I'm gonna trail 50% below this current 5 low. So my trailed stop is gonna be here, locking in 20, and I'm gonna see if we can run this up for like 35. This double top here is gonna be a key level. Again, this is another one I didn't get to get on the FTMO.
You didn't?
No, because I don't have it on here. I have to fucking take it off my phone. I'm trying to juggle top step and FTMO at the same time.
Oh, sis. I didn't take it from my question either.
No, I didn't. Sorry, man.
Keep on forgetting.
It's difficult, man. It's hard having a funded and a personal to prioritize both. Look at that! What a push! What a push! What you got? That's like a what? That's like a 1 to 5 risk to reward right here. 26 pips. You know what? I'm actually just gonna. I'm closing full there. I just closed full right there. That's like a 1 to 5 risk to reward right there on a 8:20 a.m. London time. So I just get closed or out there. Yeah, there. Job done. Trade done. You may still come up and grab these highs, but I'm not holding that long. I'm taking it. So what I just closed the other. So got around in total like around 21-ish. 21-ish. Yeah, close 2. Yeah, nice. Yeah. I'm fully out. We had like 3 confluence for that one, probably more to be honest. Executed off the 5 buys. Gold. London. What's the date today? 26 of the 3rd. 24. Cool. Beautiful.
Right. I'm going to let you leave you.
All right.
See you in the US session.
Cool, man. See you then.
Right? Have a good one, guys.
Enjoy, man.
I've said it in the Discord.
Sweet, man.
Hey, guys.
See you there, man. Bye. Oh, there's that full target. Look at that. Full target's right there.
I can't believe I missed that one.
Did you not get that one? That was a crazy
push.
push. Oh, man. So expensive noodles. Yeah, it's around 20 ticks locked in. Yeah, that's my fault, Harry. Pricey noodles.
I'm only trading 0.01 at the minute, yeah.
Nah, that's good, man. That's good. There's a full target. What a push. What a push! Look at that. That's like a what? A 1-7. This looks like some sort of SMC bullshit. Except we took it live. It's like some fake risk to reward stuff there, but we took it here.
2 days in a row as well.
2 days in a row, yeah, back to back.
And 2 yesterday.
Yeah, 2 W's yesterday. Another one here today.
Yep.
I should have taken bigger size than that one. Our stop loss was like 5 ticks on that trade. Yeah, what a trade. What a trade. If anyone doesn't, you guys on Zoom, if anyone wants me to break it down, as always, feel free to let me know and I can just break it down anyway. It was a amazing call. It's just simply buying up into where most people were trying to sell. So it wasn't a, waiting for a liquidity grab to kind of happen to highs and then trying to take sells, buying up into the liquidity grab. Trading on the 1 minute 30 ticks locked in. Yeah, nice work, Harry. Nice work, man. Yes, please. Yep, sure. You guys on YouTube, drop a little like for the stream. If you guys got that trade, good job. Break it down, start dancing. Move to the part, so it's just risk in 0.05%. Take 0.5. Oh well, yeah, profit's profit, man. Yeah, as long as you understand it, and I'll break it down. That's the whole part. That's the whole part of it. Even if anyone didn't catch it, don't get FOMO. Don't start jumping in and executing positions for the sake of it. It's all about learning and breaking it down here for you guys. So we'll break it down, regardless if you made money or didn't make money. As long as you guys can understand the direction, it's the most important part. So let's have a look. So I'll clean this up for a second because I got a lot of what looks like crap drawn over here. But pretty much, if I let's just hide this for a second. So why can't I right click? There you go. So pretty much what I was thinking is this is your level of resistance. Oh, it skipped too fast. This is your level of resistance, and gold's in a range. We took this into the breakout. We didn't necessarily have to wait for the breakout to happen. And the way you can take trades into a breakout is when liquidity is formed. So the amount of retail traders who would have been trying to sell here, where does their stop go? Just above that high, looking for this big play down. Like I always say, gold is never just gonna reject a level and just push down. That's not how gold moves. If gold's gonna have a drop down, you're always gonna grab them highs and then you're gonna have that push. So rather than waiting for price to get up into here and then trying to take the sells, if you get an opportunity, you may as well buy up into that resistance in case you do just end up breaking out like we did and having that insane push. So we take a look at the 15. Why does it always does that? And then the 15 pretty much almost identical to the setup yesterday. We created that liquidity above here, retail stop losses above there. You wick down, grabbed previous 15-minute lows, and then at that point there, as soon as that 5 minute closes pretty much back above, like there is kind of what I was looking at. Closes bearish, straight back bullish, straight back above, fake out confirmed, bottom wick, and then there's your entry right there. As soon as that candle closes back above this level and gives you that bottom wick, you got buyers up into this very nice resistance because that's where most people are trying to sell. Most people are trying to short this. Most people are trying to sell here. Like the amount of, I wish I could see, but the amount of retail traders who would have been trying to short this on gold would have been crazy. People try to sell here, put their stop loss just above the high. Like I say, that's not how gold moves. If gold's going to have the drop back down, it's always going to grab them highs. So our long is based off once this 5 minute bottom wicks, re-breaks the high, we put in our buy stop, and stop losses if this 5 comes down to create a new low. We don't want to be in the trade. So we got tagged in. Almost was actually very close to cutting this trade. And then at the last, I think it was maybe the last 20 seconds, the 5 minute actually closed above 15 and the next candle gave little to no bottom wick and then just pushed. And as soon as you clear this resistance, you're also breaking previous hourly highs. You re-break previous hourly highs. the direction on gold is to come all the way back up into these regions and manipulate a lot of this trend line here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Buying up into where most people were trying to sell, and taking advantage of the 15-minute liquidity grab. So 15-minute liquidity grab for entry, and then 30-minute double top as our target, and obviously gold to overall have that push up today into these highs here, which I think if you do have runners and you want to be crazy, seeing this really wouldn't surprise me today. That's my kind of overall direction of what I was saying before we even took this trade. I'm pretty much today looking for price to do this before them potentially doing that. So yeah, that was the trade. Entry was based off the 5-minute closing back above. Hold trade was based off the 15 liquidity grab and a 30-minute target, and that's the trade. A 1 to 7 risk to reward. And then I didn't have these pre-planned out, but then I did actually notice we actually got a pretty nice double top there, and you also have a pretty nice double top there as well. So I'll probably, if you do have runners, that's your runner area. So yeah, very nice trade, very nice trade. Would have previously put my stop loss below the 5-minute fake out. Also liquidity grab. So you only enter if you have a stop loss below it. So you would only ever have stop loss below. No, the safest place is to have it below the liquidity grab. But for me here, as this 5 was flipping, I just put it in below the low because I didn't want it to grab these highs and then start to create a new low. So I was happy to just go in below there. But your safest place is to actually have it below the liquidity grab. But I had it below the current 5 low. Just because I wanted to be aggressive because you were choppy. And if you grab this high, you could easily grab this high and then start to push back down. So once I got tagged in, my stop loss was actually based if this 5 was about to come create a new low. But hard stop, would have been there. But actually, once it tags you in, yeah, it becomes there, yeah. That run's crazy. Yeah, amazing run, yeah. One of the nicest pushes in London I've seen in a long time. It could have just trailed below each 5-minute low. You'd be locking in like what? You'd be locking in like 30, which is amazing. You can end up coming up into here. You got like a 50 tick trade. Fucking amazing. Should have taken a 1% risk on that. You'd be up like fucking 8%. We've been like fucking 8,000 on that FTMO. It's crazy. Do you stream US Open? Nah, I don't stream US Open, man. Nah, unfortunately. Unfortunately, I don't. Not right now, anyway. Wish I'd trailed my stop ups to the closing position. Yeah, that's what I kind of like. That's what I kind of did. That I closed like 70% and then trailed the rest. If you hit your target, as soon as you start grabbing these highs, you could have rejected and pushed lower. So, to take some off like around here, it made sense. But then, yeah, you can just trail the rest. You don't have to ever close full. You can sometimes close 50% and then trail the rest. That's the good thing about futures, is you can trail a certain amount of contracts below each low. Like if you had 5 contracts on this, you could have 2 contracts below here, 2 contracts below here. You can't do that in FX. Not that I'm aware of, anyway. So it's the good thing about futures is you can trail a certain amount of contracts below each low, which is the good thing to do. Excellent explanation, thank you. Yep, no worries, glad you enjoyed it. Put it in right before that 5 closed. I had it in on this one, probably maybe like a minute or a minute and a half into this 5-minute candle, I believe it was. Had a buy stop in once it created that bottom wick. Buy stop in for once it does flip back bullish. And as soon as it does flip, then amazing. Yeah, I think it was like, I didn't want to see it flip within like the first couple of seconds. I do like to see it create that bottom wick at least like the first minute or so. I guess it's kind of being a little bit too picky sometimes, but yeah, I had it in probably like Probably like about a minute or so. Because of Don, I close after 10 pips, but I'm starting to show every trade now. Iron Knights have it. Yeah, I don't agree that you should close a trade at 10 pips. I think if you close a trade at 10 pips, you're trading your P&L. You're not trading the charts, you're trading your P&L. You know, if your target is 10 pips away, like if this high was only 10 pips and you wanted to close at that high, yeah, sure. But if you close at 10 pips because you like the look of the money, I just think that's fucking stupid personally. I think it brings a lot of bad habits. It might work for some, but it won't work for most. Futures is still booming here. Oh, fuck, I'm in replay. Sorry, I apologize. I'm still in replay here.
Yeah, still ripping.
Holy shit. I was like, why is this chart not moving and my futures is booming? Look at this. Yeah, that's that full target. That's ridiculous. Oh my god, yeah, I wish I trailed some as well. Holy shit.
Good call out,
Thank you, man. Thank you. Missed the trade because I had to take out the trash. Oh no. What a push. That's expensive trash. Yeah, it's expensive trash. So I'll catch you tomorrow. Yeah, enjoy Harry. See you tomorrow, man. Who else is on these damn London streams giving trades like this? I want to have a look. What a push. No one. I'll tell you that much. Close below 21.76. That'd be definitely short. Nah, not with that way. That 30 just closed aggressively bullish. I wouldn't be taking any shorts here. 30 just closed biggest bullish candle we've seen for the entire day. I wouldn't be taking any shorts personally. Way too bullish. Way too bullish for me. Yeah, that's all. That's all. You take shorts here, you're also going to be shorting in a third touch of a trend line as well, which will be a retail trap. Retails will probably start trying to short around this trend line here. Stop loss will probably go just above that high. So no, I personally wouldn't take any sells. If I take some sells, it's going to be back up in this area. Gold is flying. Yeah, gold to the moon. Look, everyone took the trade and then has dipped off the stream. Where's everyone going? Everyone's getting their money and running. Pip and dip, yeah, pip and dip. What the fuck is that about? So I got on the top step there. Let's just have a look. Let me make this bigger. Yeah, $370 there on the top step. So like about 37 pips one contract there. Wish I took my top step challenge. Yeah. It's hard to juggle more than one. Like I got multiple accounts. It's hard to take them all on different ones. Trade multiple accounts at once. If they're on the same platform, like you can trade up to like 450,000 on Top Step. You can do it all in the same trade copier. But I got a Top Step account here on the Top Step X. I got personal and Tradeovate, and I've got a 100k FTMO that I have taken like 2 trades on. So I personally can't copy all of them. I just try and prioritize one or the other. It's kind of gives you an inconsistent reflection, because if you take one trade on one account and another trade on another, it's not the same. So just try and keep them on the same platform. I got given this Top Step X account here, so I'm just trying to prioritize that and document the platform as much as I can. And yeah, it's good. It's very nice. Yeah, I didn't realize I was sharing it. See, look at that bounce there. Look at that. Fucking hell, man. And everyone was actually, majority of people were actually short on gold when you're around these highs. Majority of people were short, so it's a good confluence to see this continue to rip higher. What an absolutely insane push, man! Holy shit! Fuck, if we had trailed below every 5 minute low. I say it doesn't matter what level you get to, however much money you take out the market. So you take out 20 and it keeps pushing to 40, you're always gonna think, fuck, I could have done this, but as long as you take out something at your areas, you're never gonna catch the top and then call, catch the bottom and then call the top. But as long as your winners are outweighing your losses overall, amazing. I had a trade this month off that FOMC. I closed like 160, it then hit 300, which is insane. And didn't get that on the top step X either. Yeah, what a trade. What a trade. What a day. It's funny because I didn't even think London was going to give that much today. Oh, we got the breakout. You go look at it on the 15. It's very, 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 very clean. And you guys who are new to trading this strategy, you shouldn't be focused on having your stop loss like that. Focus on having your stop loss down here. Look how nice of a trade it was. Still got your like 40, 50 ticks. Don't worry about trying to get like 5 minute sub 5 tick stop losses. That's not the purpose. So if you wanted to take this and you wanted to have your stop loss below the 15 low just to be safe, absolutely nothing wrong with that. Refining comes with time. In the beginning, if you go for like 1 to 1.5s, 1 to 2 risk rewards, and refine over time, way better than trying to get the stupid tight stop losses and the biggest risk reward in the beginning. Oh fuck! And England are playing at like what? Fucking like 5 AM tomorrow. I have to get up at like 5 AM. When is it? It's like 5:45 my time.
Yeah, 6:45 here, I think. Something like that.
Yeah.
We're an hour later than you or ahead of you.
Yeah, 5:45 England versus Belgium. I'll have to get up early for that.
Yeah.
That'd be a good game.
Did you used to play?
Yeah, I did in school, man. I did in the start of school. But then I just I fucking skateboard just became my life instead, so I stopped playing. I've always watched it though.
Right.
But yeah, skateboarding became my life, man. Just fucking down the skate park every day.
Ever considered taking that up again?
Yeah, I did actually, man. Yeah, I'll send you a picture after this. Yeah, I would like to just get bored just to cruise around. Just the injuries just used to suck. That's why I mainly stopped playing it, because my knee got so bad. But I would like to do it just to cruise around. Yeah. It's some pretty decent parks over here, actually.
Yeah, there is out there. Yeah.
Our facilities back home in Jersey were shocking. There's some pretty sick parks over here. The amount of bones I've broken from skating is insane.
You actually broken bones?
Oh yeah, man. Yeah, broken my fingers, fractured my ankle. I fractured my wrist. Yeah, loads. Yeah.
Were you mainly street skater or transition?
Yeah, Street Skater, man.
Right.
I wasn't very good on transition. We didn't really have a park in Jersey to be able to do that. Like, if you Google Jersey skate park, it was fucking terrible. So yeah, we always just had to street skate. And when I first started, we actually didn't even have one. Well, now they got an insane one, which they didn't have back in my day.
Yeah, there are a lot of new parks being built here and there these days.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Head out now. Looking to buy 100k tops account this week. Next one, join you futures. Yeah, good man, good man. Remember, check the link in start here channel, man, and there'll be the discount as well. Enjoy the rest of your evening, man. I'll get up at 1 a.m. to tune in with you here. That's early. Nice, nice. Well, it pays off. You tune in every day this week. You've had some bangers. It's only Tuesday. Where did we close one? Close one around like here. I'll post this one in Discord as well. Did I post the trade yesterday? I can't remember if I did. I don't think I did. No, I didn't post in the trade yesterday
How
either.
long would you say is too long to jump into a continuation? Taking out a previous bottom win, for example.
Yeah, pretty much, man. Yeah, like I'd be looking for this to like come back down to like maybe all of these areas here before seeing that push back higher. Yeah, probably grab like some 30 wicks.
Taking out previous lows, but can't be viable for an entry.
Yeah, I'd probably want to see. What the fuck is this? I would probably want to see like here. Strong level there.
Yeah, so it's not just sort of taking out previous low, then it's more like around a key level. Right?
Yeah, as long as you got like, yeah, if you could, because like here you kind of, you just bounce, you got the bounce pretty much off this support and then off this one, so kind of broke above, retested this level. So whereas here it's pretty far gone. So yeah, I'd need it like probably grab some probably 30 lows, I'd say. And you still have a lot of upside to come, so. Switch to kite surfing from skating, way better for the body. Nice, kite surfing. Yeah, I've never been kite surfing. That sounds pretty fun. I'd like to go wakeboarding as well. I've never been wakeboarding before. That sounds pretty fun. Where was yesterday's trade? I didn't post in yesterday's trade. Where was yesterday's trade? Here. Why didn't I post? Bottom wick. Yeah, how's it hourly looking? Yeah, I mean, yeah, if the next hourly opened, if it didn't grab the highs and instantly bottom wicked, yeah, then to keep buying it up into like this high, definitely. Like here's gonna be your next target on gold. So any bottom wick down from here. My next overall targets today are all the way, yeah, back up here. Remember, you're gonna have this trend line coming down like this as well. So you'll get a lot of people trying to take the sells here as well. Mark in the house. Mark missed a banger today. Mark, we had these buys on Goldie. Had like a 5 pip stop loss. An amazing run. Expensive flight for you, man. Expensive damn flight, I'll tell you that. Could have waited, taken the trade, and just flown private, man. Expensive flight. Damn. Yeah, that's my next upside. I still got much more upside targeting on gold.
Have you got runners on that, Aaron?
No, I wish, man. I closed full. I wish. I damn wish I did. I closed. I wish I had runners. Even if we had just trailed below every 5 low, we would have been out like here, which is crazy. But yeah, that's it, guys. I think we'll wrap it up there. That's pretty much our amazing trade for the day. The next continuation plays on gold is, yeah, as long as you break out of this range, bottom wick, and keep buying gold up into here. So yeah, there's no point here sitting here. We'll leave it. Amazing trade today. Amazing trade yesterday. Zoom guys, I'll upload this Zoom call and send it into Discord in the next hour. If you guys want to go back and rewatch it, skip back to like about 8 a.m. London time where we talk through this position, and I'll talk to you guys in Discord in the US session. Actually, I'll probably pop in and say hello for the US session. So Zoom guys, I'll let you guys go and I'll talk to you then.
Yeah.
See you guys. Enjoy. Bye guys. Bye. Well done. Yeah, nice. Yep. This is some gold today. You snooze you lose. All right, snooze you lose. We had like 30 plus ticks there on gold today. 0 drawdown. But yeah, that's it. YouTube fam, I'm out. I appreciate you guys taking time to tune in. I may record this trade into an actual trade recap and upload it to YouTube. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know. If not, I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow. Trade the US session safe. Trade to live another day. And I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.